Yo, what's going on? So this little one is the first one to crawl out from clutch one. It's a banana, obviously. Hasn't even had its prelay shed, it just crawled out about an hour ago. This is from that Dinker gene, so I don't know. We'll see after first shed, but I don't know if there's anything else going on. These are my first bananas, so I'm pretty pumped about that. Yeah, first one out. It's a stunner. Really nice orange blushing. Like I said, we'll see after first shed, but pretty pumped, man. Finally got a banana. Peace.